That is awesome. So we are in Rock Island State Park and we're heading down a extreme trail. It's extreme!
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the names.
I guess with all the rain, the waterfall is huge and it's all down on this trail right here. The waterfall continues on this whole cliffside right here. This has got to be the greatest waterfall we've ever seen. I've always wanted to see a waterfall like this. I don't think we have ever seen a waterfall like that. Like that just, wow. That really takes the cake. And then there's bonus waterfalls down this river here, which makes this beautiful gorge.
Yeah, it might only be 30 feet tall, but it's like 400 feet wide.
We're walking over this other waterfall. I don't know if this is a trail or... It doesn't look like a trail, but it looks really neat, and that waterfall looks great. The water's coming out underneath this rock right here. Water's coming out of the earth.
I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be